At the basic fundamental level, a salesperson is a problem solver. That's really what they do. They talk to companies, they see what kind of problems that they're having that we can solve for and understanding that. That's it. You're a salesperson. Yes, you're trying to sell them something, but you're selling them a solution. People talk you're an advisor, you're a consultant, which you are. But the bottom line, you're like a detective. I tell this story, you're like a detective, right? You got this problem, you find this company, and your job is to uncover things about that company that there's issues and problems they're having that you know that you can solve. And when you have that mindset as a salesperson, there's no reason to stop. I can help you. We talk about that all the time. We guarantee our work at Manard Warren Associates, we can help people. We know it. Why wouldn't I want to talk to everybody? If you're a salesperson and you have a solution that's empowering, solve companies' problems, which means they're going to make more money, save money, improve their growth, why wouldn't you talk to them? But first, you have to understand what the company is and what their goals are. What's their drive? What are they looking to do? When you understand that, then you look at what you do as a company, as a salesperson, and what are the problems you solve for those similar companies, and then you just ask them those questions and you figure it out.